What is Google EEAT and why does it matter for local SEO? Heard the term EEAT but not sure what it actually means? Here it is. EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google uses it to decide which local businesses deserve the top of the map pack. Of the four letters, trust is the most important. Google has said so many times directly. The other three exist to prove trust is real. Here's the kicker for local businesses. EAT is the rare ranking factor where you can beat national chains. They can't prove first-hand customer experience the way you can. A quick win for today? Open your About page. Is your name on it? Your photo? Your years of experience? If not, that's your starting point. How do I prove experience for my local business on Google? Want to prove your experience to Google? Show real evidence of real work. Photos, lots of them, of actual completed jobs, not stock photos, not generic shots. Your real work with your real team. Before and after shots if you have them. Case studies with names and dates. Short walkthrough videos of finished projects. Customer photos from real reviews. Here's the trick. Upload 5 to 10 fresh photos to your Google business profile every single month. Google rewards active, recent proof. Here's a quick win for today. Take your phone, walk around your premises, your job site, and snap 10 photos. Upload them to your Google business profile later today. That's a trust signal you just created in a few minutes. Why isn't my local business ranking despite having good reviews? You got loads of 5-star reviews but still not ranking? Here is what's going wrong. Reviews are only one EAT signal. You need all four working together. Check 3 things. 1. Your business name, address, and phone. Is it identical on every directory? Any mismatch and Google flags you as untrustworthy. Number 2. Are you responding to reviews? Every single one, positive or negative. Silent owners look absent to Google. Number 3. Is there a named human on your About page with credentials? No bio means no expertise signal. Here's a quick win for this week. Google your own business name. Look at the first 10 results. Fix every inconsistency you find. That single audit can shift your rankings in 30 days. How long does it take to build EAT for a local business? Wondering when EAT will move your rankings up? That are real numbers. Early signal shifts are about 4 to 8 weeks after you start. Meaningful local 3-pack movement will take about 3 to 6 months. Here's the trap. Most owners give up at week 6 to 7 because they can't see the change yet. Google is still recrawling, verifying, and confirming your new signals are consistent or not. The compound effect lands at month 3. Every fresh photo, every review reply, every named bio adds another layer of trust. By month 6, the cumulative signal is louder than anything a big national or multinational brand can outspend. Here's a quick win. Mark a 90-day calendar reminder right now to review your local rankings. That's your real first checkpoint. Anything before then is noise. How do I check my current EAT? Want to know where your local EAT stands? Here's a quick audit. Open 3 tabs. Google Search, your Google business profile, and Yelp or your top local directory. Check 3 things. 1. Is your name, address, phone number identical across all 3? Any mismatch is a trust leak. Number 2. Open your Google business profile. Is it 100% complete? Categories, hours, photos, descriptions, services. Any blank field is missed signal. Number 3. Read your last 5 reviews. Did you reply to everyone within 48 hours? If not, that's your fastest fix. Here's a quick win. Block 30 minutes this week to do this audit. You'll find at least 3 fixes you can make today. Knock them out and watch your local visibility shift in the next month.